Today we're in Yangshuo, China, known for its dramatic mountain landscape, and it's just 2 to 3 hours from Guangzhou and Shenzhen. And the reason we're here is to visit the viral hotel that's everywhere on social media, and I'm gonna walk you through the entire stay, the cost, and ultimately whether it's worth visiting. Now to get here, I took a bullet train with second-class seats from Guangzhou to Yangshuo, which only took around 2 hours. Now I'm in the back of a taxi and I have absolutely no idea what I'm about to pull up to. But what I will say is Yangshuo feels very different from what I expected. Very local, very mountainous, not touristy in the way you'd think. The taxi ride took around 30 minutes and we have officially arrived. Ni hao. Alright, I think we're here. We have this like pink looking hotel. Doesn't really match the pictures. I actually have no idea what to expect. But wow, this is some entrance. I mean, it definitely doesn't look like a Western hotel chain or a brand or anything. Ni hao. But wow, we can already tell by these views. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Okay. Wow, I've never been to a hotel like this. Very interesting choice of pink color, and they also have the infinity pool over here. Wow, it looks exactly like it does in the social media pictures and everything. Man, this was definitely worth the journey. I can't wait to see what the room is. I'm not sure, but they even come with a photo shoot, and I believe they have some excursions, some activities and things. But over here, we have the buffet, the breakfast buffet. Wow, looks like we're the only ones here. This is definitely one of the most interesting hotels I've ever been to. So if you look at this video here, these are all the things that are nearby. So yeah, this is the overview of the hotel right here. Absolutely amazing. And I think this is the room that we're gonna be in. All right guys, we've come back outside to kind of show you what the whole entire check-in experience is and the overview of the entire hotel property. So from the social media, it looks extremely pristine and glamorous, but I'm going to tell you right from the first impression, the exterior is kind of throwing me off. The bright pink, I've never seen a hotel in this kind of bright pink, almost Squid Games kind of aesthetic. But as soon as you enter the property, as you've already seen, it really delivers on that fantastic view. And that's the whole purpose for booking a hotel like this. So we've already seen the inside. Let's just go ahead and tour some of the outside area here. So it just seems like very kind of local, very family friendly. We've got some like spaceship kind of, I don't know, like orbital galaxy themes, like a playground area here. Very, very interesting. Got a trampoline right here. We've got these like little huts over here to my left. Oh, they've got some rabbits in here. Yeah. Interesting. We have this very kind of makeshift swing. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Wow. This is insane. I never would have expected I'd be here. Some of the most unique hotel experiences are not going to be by the big hotel brands and chains, but they're going to be built by these local developers somewhere in a hidden city you've never heard of. It's really, really local vibe. That's all I'm getting here. Oh, okay, so if you look at the facade of the hotel right here, maybe 2 to 4 units per floor. So this is like very, very private. And then we've got the last one right here. That is cool. What a view. All right, so I think they texted me that the food is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and check in. And then to talk briefly about the check-in process, basically I had made the booking and then they had got my WeChat, and then throughout the WeChat conversation, they were telling me about the times, the Wi-Fi, and then like I was telling them what time I'd check in, what time I'd arrive. And then as soon as I got here from the taxi, there was already a person that was expecting me, took me to the hotel, and yeah, it just seemed very, very seamless. Even though there is a bit of a language barrier, we still used WeChat, we still used Translate, and actually it's quite smooth. You know, it wasn't very stressful or chaotic or anything. So I believe the lunch is ready. Okay. So we got the Americano, we got the mocha, we got this like seaweed egg soup, got 2 rices, beef, kind of like grilled beef, and then we also have some pork, and then they gave us some free sunflower seeds and peanuts. So all in all, this meal was 176 yuan. Wow. Food is really good actually. Right, cheers. Do you like the food?
Yes. Cold weather and hot soup is perfect.
Alright guys, let me give you a little tour of our room. This is on the 4th floor, absolutely breathtaking views. Instead of me being the model, let me use my beautiful girlfriend here. She went ahead and got ready. So let's give it a little tour.
Yay! Look at the bed. Let's try. How to stop it?
You cannot stop it.
So like when I'm drunk and then I lay down the bed. Wow. The view is so amazing.
Never seen a view like this, right?
Yeah. They give us the fruit.
Get the free tangerines. Let's look at the outside balcony.
Oh, it's
As-
cold.
Just look at this. We have this all to ourselves. And as you can see here, we just have a bunch of different villas and hotels. But yeah, you can just see this really nice landscape. Definitely one of the most beautiful hotels we've been to.
Yeah. Oh, it's cold.
It's cold. All right, let's go back inside.
Now, just right quick, whenever you're traveling abroad, you're gonna find yourself connecting to a lot of public Wi-Fi, and that can actually be extremely risky. That's why I always travel with NordVPN. You know, one thing most people don't realize is how often phishing attacks actually are. You might get an email that looks exactly like it's from your bank, or you're from Instagram, or from a hotel website, and the website looks entirely legit, but it was cleverly designed that way. So when you enter your login details, your entire data, all of your data is stolen by hackers. And it's actually almost happened to me the other day. That's why it's super important to protect yourself. You see, NordVPN keeps your data encrypted no matter where you are or no matter what connection you're on. And they even have a feature called threat protection, which blocks malicious websites and suspicious links before you even click them. One compromised password can create serious problems, so having that extra layer of protection goes a super long way. And NordVPN also gives you access to the entire internet without restrictions. So even if you're overseas, like in China, for example, you can still access the same websites, access the same social medias and services. For the price of just 1 cup of coffee, you can protect yourself with NordVPN, and right now you'll get 4 extra months on a 2-year plan if you use my special link right here. And the best part is that there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. I'll have the link in the description. Now back to the video.
Best view. I don't know how to make it stop. Life is good, cannot complain. Seriously, I feel like a hotel like this should be at least like $1,000 or more a night. And the starting price for this hotel is around this right here. So let me just finish off the tour. We have our restroom area and then just beautiful widescreen mirrors. That way we can see that reflection behind us. We have one sink and then we have this very nice, really big, like sauna, onsen-like shower with the rain head right here. And yeah, we got some, oh, this is Aqua di Colonia.
And of course, they have Dyson.
Yeah, got the Dyson right here with the multiple different heads. Wow.
I would take it. Can I take it?
Yeah.
It's good.
And then we just have our toilet right here, nothing special. But yeah, this is the whole entire room, and it comes with the bathtub. And it also has a TV right here. Yeah, this is definitely very epic. What were you gonna say?
I just want to say it's special in China because Chinese people don't use the water to clean.
They don't use the bidet, right?
Yeah.
They got a bidet! So if you want to learn how to travel for free like this and also how to get paid from content, then check out the free training down below. So in about an hour's time, we actually have booked a photographer shoot, and they also have costumes or like, you know, different clothing you can rent. So we'll show you what that's gonna be like. All right guys, we came back downstairs. We're going to go ahead and book the photo shoot. Hello, do you have the clothes we can borrow for the...
You like to go to see the clothes?
Yeah. Oh, and then over here we can actually rent the motorbikes here. So I imagine it's a pretty good price. So we can just go to the city or just kind of like bike around the neighborhood. But as you can see, this is pretty much the neighborhood. It doesn't seem like they have many like shops or restaurants or anything like that. It's mainly villas and buildings under development. So in order to get the costumes or like the outfits and things, we gotta go about a 5-minute walk over here. Oh, so I can see already they have like Chinese traditional clothes. Oh, nice. Oh, this is the men's clothes?
Yeah, have the man
see.
and the girl. Maybe you can see. Actually,
Is what is the cost? Like how much?
it's free.
Oh, it's all free?
Yeah, it's all free. But it's free. It's no free.
Oh, those 3 are not free.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, actually this is already really nice.
Just want to look.
Yeah, so if you're interested, they have a bunch of different styles, not all Chinese traditional. For example, we got some nice white dresses. Oh, we got a lot of different styles. It's nice. You like it? Oh yeah, you can borrow these bags too. Nueve. So all of these are free right here, but only these are the paid ones. All right, you ready? All right, guys, we got a photographer here. There, okay. All right, so he's telling us to come over here. Oh wow, so they already have a photo set up right here with these crows. Okay, so he's telling me to walk on this. Wow. Oh, okay, so then he's gonna take the photo right here. Wow, I really like how they already have their props set up and everything. Wow, so natural. Oh, nice. Actually, these came out pretty good. Oh, wow. Wow, really good. Very good. We're gonna go to the next spot. I love how they already have this pre-arranged. So you don't really have to think, you don't really have to like take turns taking pictures of each other. They already have it planned out. Because obviously you're gonna book this place to get some absolutely once in a lifetime photos. All right, so the next spot is the Squid Games-esque staircase ladder. All right, let's see where the next spot is. All right, next up is the giant swing. Woo! All right, now finally we have the infinite staircase. Wow, it's just so cinematic. Wow, these turn out so good. Seriously, really good. I feel like we have to get these printed. We have to get these printed. Nice. All right, we have just rested. We're gonna head to West Street. They actually have a free shuttle here for the residents. So West Street is like a night market area in Yangshuo. And yeah, we got this nice private. Ni hao. Very nice.
会说中文啊？
Vi-
会说中文？
yeah, YouTube video. I don't speak Chinese. So far, the experience has been really nice, really catering to us, and really premium actually. Well, actually, so this area is a little bit more, you know, residential, I feel like. pretty sure we're the only foreigners here. Okay, so as you can see, it's just this long strip of different street vendors and stalls.
It looks like alien.
I've never seen, what is this, you know?
No, I don't know. I never see it. It's a lot of dirt.
Wow, we even have Zootopia! All right, good morning guys. It is the next day and we're about to get the free breakfast. Okay, let's see what they have here. We got cereal, we got oatmeal actually. Western fried food right here. Actually looking really good. We got the tomato scrambled eggs, vegetables, some potatoes and corn, dumplings. These are really good, nice kind of sweet sausages right here. Got some pancakes and omelets. Wow. Really, really good actually. All right guys, we had an amazing first day. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, really well.
Me too. It's good?
It's so good.
So in case you were wondering, the price of our hotel, the cheapest hotel here starts around $150 a night. The room that we got was around $450 a night. Around 15,000 baht for one night. Considering the views, considering the lifelong photos that you're gonna get, considering the fact that it's the best room, I mean, I honestly think it could be worth it, you know, if you have a very special occasion. It's not a lot of, that's not a little bit of money, but I think for a very special occasion, for very special photos, for a very special memory, I think it could be worth it. But overall, I highly recommend this hotel. You can check out more information down in the description. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and I'm Paul Lee. And if you're interested in content mentorship and learning how to build a personal brand and want to be personally mentored by me, then check that out in the description as well. And we'll see you in the next video.